Hello everyone, let me introduce you to my favorite bath routine. If you know me well, you know that I'm obsessed about skincare and taking care of my skin and my body. So here are my favorite Kaina skincare range of products for face and body, and it's the perfect thing I've discovered recently. So come along with me and see how I use these beautiful Kaina skincare products for my face and my body. And here we begin. I start off using the Ubtan Body Scrub by Kaina Beauty Care, and it's an Ubtan scrub for face and for body. I massage it for at least 15-20 minutes by taking a generous amount, and then after massaging it for 15-20 minutes, I clean it with a soft towel, or you can even wash it off. It's absolutely your choice, but make sure you massage it nicely into the skin so that any dead skin can get off and your skin can be absolutely clean. I enjoy using these products, and I fill up my tub full of rose petals, and I enjoy my Sunday afternoon making sure I'm totally spick and span and clean. Well, the next thing I do after this is the Ubtan Body Mask. This is again a very herbal and natural formulation, especially beneficial for all skin types. It keeps my skin tightened, smooth, and also refreshes it to an amazing amount. The application of this product is actually perfect for an amazing glow. So yes, this is an amazing product for the brides to be, or even the girls who just want to glow all the time, and that's me. Well, it's got sandalwood, it's got sweet almond oil, it's got saffron, turmeric, cucumber extract, which is all natural, and it's amazing. After this step, I apply my most favorite product, that is the Ubtan Body Gel. This is divine for your skin. It gives you an amazing glow, it gives you an amazing hydration, and it glides onto the skin like ice. It's so nice. It's got lavender oil. This gel contains Unveil extract, turmeric oil, lavender flower extracts, and all the good things a skin needs to nourish itself. And it's an amazing product for the brides to be and for all the people who love to take care of their skin and body. And once I apply this generously, I keep it for 15 minutes, and then I remove it with a damp cloth or a towel. I make sure I remove every speck of it, and after that my skin feels so fresh, so hydrated, so glowy. Can you see how soft, supple, and beautifully glowing skin I've got because of these products? And yes, of course, how can I forget? I also use their shower gel, which is basically a saffron body wash, and it's for face and for body, and it smells so divine. I use this every single day. And of course, after this, I also use their saffron body lotion, and again, it's for all skin types. These skin products, they keep my skin moisturized, hydrated throughout the day. It keeps me looking young and radiant. Yes, well, this is the secret to my beautiful skin. I've been using this for a while, and I just couldn't stop myself telling you and showing you how beautifully I love these products and how much I use them. And I can't wait for you guys to try it out. So what are you waiting for? You can see it, it's right in front of you, how much I enjoy my bathing routine just because of the Kaina skincare. And yes, last but not the least, I want to tell you about this one product that I highly recommend to my brides to be, and of course to all the girls who just are obsessed about skincare. It's the Vitamin C Glow Serum by Kaina. Oh my god, this is an amazing game changer. Please go ahead, try it out, and tell me how you think about it. I absolutely love it. After the shower, I just use it on my skin. I pat it on, and ta-da, I'm done for the day. Well, I hope you like this video, and don't forget to share it with your friends and your family, and don't forget to like it.